How to identify the back loop only, BLO, and front loop only, FLO. These are the stitches. Each stitch makes a V. For back loop only, identify which part of the V is further back and insert the crochet hook under that part of the V. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over again. And pull through both loops. For front loop only, identification is pretty much the same, except you insert your hook under the part of the V that's closest to you. It might be helpful to know the difference between the right outside of your work and the wrong inside of your work. This is the right side. And this is the wrong side. It's always the side with the tail.